In this video, I want to show you how to solve overheating problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your laptop is overheating, let's see how we can go about it. Now to do that, go to Control Panel. You can just search for Control Panel. Here is Control Panel. Click to open it. When it opens, if you open it and it's not displaying all items like this, just come to this view by, and if it is showing categories like this, come here and select large icons so that it can display other options. So once you are here, come to power options, click on it. It will open this page. Then come to change plan settings, click on it. Then it will open this page. Then come to change advanced power setting. So it will open a small box like this. Then scroll down inside this box and come to processor power management. Click on it. Then scroll down a bit and come to this maximum processor state. This maximum processor state on battery, you can see is 100%, and also on plug is in 100%. So change it a little bit lower than 100%. Let's say 98. And this one also, when plugged in, change it to 98%. Then the second thing to do here is to come to this system cooling policy. Click here to expand it. You can see on battery is passive and on plug-in is active. If both of your own is passive, change them to active. So here, click here and change it to active. That is the system cooling policy. So after changing it to active and also changing the system cooling policy when plugged in to active, and here the maximum processor, you have reduced it a bit lower than 100%. Then click on apply and click on OK. So hopefully this should reduce the overheating problem in your system. If this is helpful, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.